Before any job interview, it is important to research the employer to learn more about their practice. This illustrates your interest in the organization and its lawyers, your research skills, and it gives you interesting talking points and topics of conversation for your meeting. Using context on Lexis Plus, you can find relevant information about the person interviewing you, including the interviewer's background and practice, so you will go into your interview ready to impress and stand out from the crowd. From the Lexis Plus homepage, access context via the Product Switcher link next to the Lexis Plus logo. Context uses advanced analytics to review all kinds of legal materials and gather an incredible amount of comprehensive information on a particular subject. This tool is useful for lawyers in practice, litigators in particular, but also for law students preparing for interviews. Here you see the context search box. Notice how you can also change the category of the search if you would like to find attorneys for firm positions, judges for a judicial clerkship, or companies if you are interviewing for a position with a company. In the search box, type the name of your interviewer. As you type the name, context will suggest names of people you may be looking for, as well as displaying information such as the firm name for lawyers or the court for judges, so you can be sure you are selecting the right person. Type the full interviewer name or select a suggested name to see the context profile page for that person. First, context gives you a general high-level overview of the person, including the person's contact information, such as employer website, phone number, and email, useful for you to send a thank you note after the interview. It also shows you additional information about the person, such as other places worked, education history, bar admissions, and other information. To the right, you can also see information such as what areas of the law and courts in which the person has experience. This can give you insight into the person's expertise and practice trends, which is great to know going into the interview for possible discussion. Next, the argument section shows us My Context is the go-to resource for interview prep. Here, you can review the actual arguments this attorney has made in specific cases. This gives you insight into not just what kinds of thesis the attorney handles, but how the attorney actually practices law, which can help you discuss how you could assist the attorney in the practice if the firm hires you. You can filter this list by keyword if you are looking for something specific you want to discuss. Court, timeline, to look for more recent arguments, practice area or topic if you are interviewing for a particular research segment, and other areas. Finally, the Documents section gives you quick and easy access to documents available on Lexis Plus that mention or involve your interviewer. This includes content such as 1. Previous cases, dockets of ongoing cases, jury verdicts, settlement, or expert witness challenges involving the attorney. 2. Briefs, motions, or pleadings, and jury instructions the attorney has authored or been involved with. 3. Law review or journal articles and other news or legal news articles the interviewer has written or been mentioned in. You can also filter these items just like in the argument section if you are looking for something in particular about the lawyer's practice, clients, cases, or other areas for conversation during your interview. Context on Lexis Plus is an invaluable tool in helping you prepare for your all-important interviews. If you want to learn more or need assistance, reach out to your Lexis rep to schedule a training session or contact customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-800-45-LEXIS.